This is the Savings and Sinking Funds Tracker, a simple spreadsheet that helps you set money aside for the things you know are coming and see exactly how close you are to each goal. You set a target, log what you save, and everything else fills itself in. Let me give you a quick tour. Every copy opens on a Start Here page. It explains what a sinking fund is, walks through the 3 simple steps, and tells you what each tab does, so you are never left guessing where to begin. A sinking fund is just money you set aside a little at a time for a known future expense, like car repairs, the holidays, or your insurance, so the bill never blindsides you. This tracker plans and follows every one of them in a single place. And there is one rule worth remembering. You only ever type in the blue cells. Every total, every percentage, and the amount you need each month are all calculated for you automatically. This is the heart of it, the Sinking Funds tab. Each goal gets a single row. You give it a target date, whatever you have already put aside, and how much you plan to add each month. Everything to the right is then worked out for you. Take the emergency fund. Its target is $12,000, and $4,900 is already set aside. That is just under 41% of the way there, added up from your starting balance and every contribution you log. And this is the column that makes the whole sheet worth having. Needed per month tells you exactly what to put aside to hit each goal by its date. For the emergency fund, that works out to about $1,183 a month. The status flag then keeps you honest. The emergency fund is marked behind because the plan is less than what is needed, while the vacation fund, fully paid at $3,000, reads funded. At a glance, you know exactly which goals need more. Whenever you move money into savings, you record it here on the Contributions tab. 1 row per transfer, with the date, the goal, and the amount. This single log is what feeds the Save So Far figure on every goal. The goal and the account are both drop-downs. Choosing the fund from the list, rather than typing it, is what guarantees each dollar lands against the right goal, so your totals are always trustworthy. The dashboard pulls everything together. The moment you log a contribution, these update on their own. $17,880 saved in total, about 59% of the way to every goal combined, and 7 of your 8 goals on track. And 2 charts draw themselves. Saved by fund shows which goals are furthest along, and set aside by month shows the steady $1,770 a month going into savings. No chart building required. Monthly summary rolls the year up, month by month. What you contributed, how many transfers you made, and a running total of everything you have saved. That last column is the satisfying one. Your total savings climbed from $9,000 in January to nearly $18,000 by June, so you can actually watch the progress build, 1 month at a time. The Settings tab is where you make the sheet your own. Put your household name and the year you are tracking in the blue cells at the top. And these 2 lists feed the drop-downs across the sheet, your fund categories and your accounts. Adjust them once here, and the change flows everywhere automatically. When you are ready to start fresh, just delete the sample goals and the sample contributions, and every total resets to 0, ready for your own. It works exactly the same in Microsoft Excel and in Google Sheets. And that is the whole tracker. Set your goals, set aside a little each month, and watch every fund grow. It is a one-time purchase with lifetime updates, no subscription, and it works offline. You will find it on Etsy from the link in the description below. Happy saving!